Hello everybody, the webinar was amazing, really. First of all, I want to say thank you for everyone who came to the webinar and for everyone who spent with us this amazing hour. I also want to say sorry for all of those who didn't have a place to join our webinar. The webinar was limited to only 500 attenders live, as I said before, and the room was full, so a lot of people, hundreds of people, if not thousands of people, didn't have the ability to join us. Now, I want to give to every dropshipper the ability to succeed in his dropshipping business. I want to give to any dropshipper the opportunity to really watch the webinar, to really implement everything which we teach there, and to really have the advantages of the offer which I showed on the webinar. Because this is that you didn't have the ability to come to the webinar even if you wanted, because after 5 minutes of the webinar started, it already was full, the room already was full. So I decided to increase the time for the offer. So this is the offer and how it will work. First, about the offer. The offer is 1 hour special private meeting with one of our mentors. Plus you will get the invitation link to the WhatsApp group of the mentors with many students, same as you, who want to be a successful dropshippers, where you will be able to have the help from the mentor and other dropshippers. The second thing here is that you will have the live Q&A with me with more special tips which I couldn't share in 1 hour webinar on the 21st of May. The third thing here is, as I promised, you will get 10% discount for the gift cards for Amazon US, so you can take advantage over the things which we teach on the webinar. The next thing is you will have 3 hours live events, 1 hour with each of our mentors, 1 with Ron, 1 with Clayton, and 1 with Zvika, of a live events where you will be able to ask all of your questions and the mentors will help you. So in addition to the 1 hour of private lesson, you will have also 3 hours of lessons with the group. The next thing here is 42 ready-made replies which will help you to answer all of your customers' questions in your dropshipping business. And the last thing here, and I will split it for the offer for the clients and not clients. For the non-clients or clients with less than 5,000 listings package in AutoDS, you will get for $97 increase to the package of the 10,000 listings for only $97 for 1 month. So you will be able to start implement the strategy which I teached on the webinar for only $97, which is amazing. The second thing, for those who already have packages in AutoDS with over 5,000 listings, you will get the ability using the link, the same link, to upgrade to 10,000 listings. Sorry, not to 10,000. You will be able to be upgraded by double. So if you have 10,000 listings right now, your package will be doubled to 20,000. If you have 20,000, so to 40,000 with 50% discount. So you will be able to upgrade your package for 50% discount for 1 full month. Now for $97, this offer is available only until the 18th of May at 3 PM EST, New York time. After this, the price will be increased to $170 until the 21st of May, when is also my live Q&A. So be aware about this. This is very important. So until the 21st, you will have the $170, and until the 18th of May, you will be able to take this package for only $97. This is a deal which we never had, and I made it because I really believe that now it's the time to take the advantages on the dropshipping business and take your business forward and skyrocket your sales. All of the information is here under the video, so you can also read all of the information, and also have there the link for the webinar's recording, so you can see and watch the webinar of the best and the most profitable eBay dropshipping strategy in 2019. Bye bye, see you on the other side on the 21st of May on my live event, and also on the events which we will create for the mentors. Bye bye.